Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to put emojis on Zoom. Adding emojis to your Zoom meetings is a great way to express reactions and engage with other participants without interrupting the conversation. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding, as this will ensure a smooth experience throughout your meeting. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Zoom homepage where you can see all your upcoming meetings and various options to start or join calls. Next, go ahead and join a meeting. Whether it's a scheduled meeting or an instant one, once you're inside the meeting room, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar contains all the essential controls you need during a meeting. Look for the React button in this bottom toolbar and click on it. This button is specifically designed to let you share quick reactions during meetings, making it easier to communicate non-verbally with other participants. After clicking the React button, you'll see a selection of emoji choices pop up on your screen. These are the most commonly used emojis that Zoom offers for quick reactions. Browse through these options and click on your preferred emoji from the choices displayed. When you select one, it will briefly appear on your video feed for everyone in the meeting to see, allowing you to express your feelings or reactions in real time. Now, if you want to explore more emoji options beyond the default selections, you can do that too. Look for the three dotted lines within the emoji menu and click on them. This will open up a broader selection of emojis, giving you more variety to choose from. Browse through these additional options and choose the emojis you want to show during your meeting. This feature is particularly useful when you want to find something more specific to match your exact mood or reaction. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively use emojis on Zoom to enhance your meeting interactions. This simple feature can make your virtual meetings more engaging and expressive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.